welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we have GLS 200 Mercedes Benz. The problem is BMW speed sensor. So I'm going to show you how to take out the speed sensor and how to prevent this one. The location is here. Okay, this is the rear wheel speed sensor, the side location. You can see here. Here. Okay, this is the speed sensor location. This one attached to the wheel and the line. Okay, this line goes through here. You can see two wires here. Two wire here. This is one line going to the speed sensor. Okay, here this one going outside. So we need to take out the tire and take out the cover in order to check the connection. So I'm going to take out the tire and cover. Okay guys, this is the connector location. This one is going to the parking brake, and this is the speed sensor. So we need to open this one. Here have the lock. You can see here the lock. You just hold like this, then you can open this one. Okay, with speed sensor line coming here, and then you can see it goes to here. So in this location you can open this screw, then you can take out the speed sensor. So like this you can replace the new speed sensor. Okay guys, I take out the speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. So I'm going to show you how to check this one. So we need to set the wire to check the connection. So like this, then I use this lamp, then need to ignition on. Okay, now I connect to the, now you can see the reading. So it means the current is coming to the sensor. The definitely problem with the sensor, so we need to replace the sensor. So I'm going to order this one and this back. So this is the problem. Okay.